Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add text to your videos on the CapCut browser. So I have selected my clip and I just added a few filters. I have that tutorial in the previous video. So I'm just going to select text here, and then I can just press default text like so, and I can just write down the text here. So I'm just going to write Taylor Swift. Oops, sorry. And then there's these like fonts you can choose from the app. Let's see which one I want. This one. Click on it. You can make it bold, underline it, italicize it. There's also these styles. You can also change the color, as you can see, but okay, maybe this one. Or even this one. There's like spacing, alignment, position, and size too. There's also the opacity, outline, canvas, shadow. You can also choose from effects. And that is basically how you can add text on CapCut browser. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!